Good morning. About to make myself some bacon and eggs for breakfast. Bit of a chilly night. Went to bed at about 9 o'clock and realised that my sleeping bag was still at home in the garage. Lucky I had some warm clothes, a couple of towels and the dog to keep me warm, so it wasn't too bad. Got up at about 7 just in time to watch the sunrise, started a fire over there, and now I'm gonna crack some eggs into the pan and some bacon and a cup of coffee just to get the body going, and then we'll head off and do some more exploring before heading home today. Catch you later. That's my coffee. The joys of camping alone. Who needs plates? It's just more dishes to wash. Just taking a little walk up the hill from our campsite. As you can see, it's pretty steep. Again, my poor ute would never get up here, but I want to explore these rocks up at the top here. So let's see if there's a nice view. Well, we're on top of the rocks now, and there would be a spectacular view down there. That's Lake Nillahcootie, but unfortunately it's a bit hazy, so you can't really see it. But it's a pretty spectacular location that we're at. You can see all the rocks along here. Dog's loving it. All these massive boulders, as you can see. And the campsite's just down the hill there. Campsite's just below those rocks down the hill. So we're all packed up and currently on Barjog Road, heading for Carter's Lookout. Should be a nice drive. Carter's Lookout's on Lightning Ridge track, which is meant to be pretty rough, but we'll soon find out. It's 11 a.m. We finally made it to Carter's Lookout after a nice steep climb up Lightning Ridge track. It was a bit of fun. Big rocks. Lucky it's dry because there's quite a bit of clay as well, but no issues today. Unfortunately, the view from Carter's Lookout is a bit obscured. Lake Nillahcootie is just down in front of us over there, but it's very hazy, so you can't really see the lake. I'll put the drone up and you'll get a look at what I can see, but unfortunately there's not much. The rocks at Carter's Lookout are pretty awesome though. That's the one side, and obviously I'm standing up here on the other side, which is the higher side. I had to climb up onto that one over there to be able to see over the trees down to Lake Nillahcootie, which is behind us over here. Like I said, it's a bit hazy unfortunately, so even with the drone you can't see much. Well, that's us for today. I'm going to have a quick morning tea, maybe just some water and something to snack on, and then I'm going to drive to the end of Lightning Ridge track down to the main road. I should come out near Lake Nillahcootie or Swanpool, I'm not quite sure yet, and then head home to try and avoid the long weekend traffic. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, give it a like. Make sure you subscribe if you like these kind of videos, and thanks for watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed it, and there's plenty more where this came from. See you soon.